Quick update. Redoing the holder, the mount for the Makita spindle, and am in the process of adding a limit switch, which currently is going to be just a hunk of wood because it's cold out, but that can become metal or plastic. And the idea behind that is for it to connect up to this guy all the way up here, which will be at whatever location it needs to be. Then, and the limit switches are these little guys. They're just convenient. So those guys, also put in, you can barely see it down there, is the anti-backlash nut that replaced this guy. These guys here, the new one is one of the standard anti-backlash ones. So that's going in. This will be, that'll tighten that up. The having the limit switches, and basically they're not so much limit switches as homing switches, because apparently the Gerbil defaults for like Fusion 360 and that sort of thing is to have it go to home between every step, and that means that if you don't have limit switches, home is wherever you turn the machine on, which is why I've had this thing on more than one occasion attempt to munch its way through whatever board I had in the system. So we're doing that. That is all.